decision taken by FC Goa management by sacking our coach Sergio Lovera, and we would like to give our 100% support to our coach that we want Sergio Lovera back to FC Goa team.
I cannot believe that the coach is going to go. This coach has given us the first ever trophy. It's completely mind-boggling, and honestly to tell you, if these owners really were passionate about FC Goa, they wouldn't have taken this decision. We really require our old owners back. Srinivas, Dempo and Salgaonkar, really, they knew how to run a club. This is completely destroyed all of us.
Though Sergio Lovera is no more with FC Goa, we are always with him wherever he is, and our support for him will never die.
This is really a big dark day for Goa and for Goans, and it's really sad. We are as a fans, we are really upset that what has happened to our coach Sergio Lovera. He is the person who has built this team, who has brought the team at this level, and the semi-finals are just knocking the doors, and he has been sacked, and it is really not a right decision by the management, and I hope this thing doesn't happen in future, and I wish the coach all the best in future and the team as well.
We want Lovera back.
एके वटेन लोबेरा रडत गेलो जाल्यार दुसरे वटेन FC गोवान रिझर्व कोच डेरिक परेराच्या फुडारपणाखाला प्रॅक्टिस सेशन सुरू केले. प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आणि स्वप्नील तारी.